along with the Lottabody with milk, honey, refined me, curly
I know shorty and she doesn't want no slow. Had a man last year, life goes on. Haven't let the thing loose, girl, in so long. You been inside, know you like to lay low. I've been peeping what you bringing to the table. Working hard, girl, everything paid for. First, last phone bill, car, no cable.
No, 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 no.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Sorry if you can't see my face. Today I'm starting this video off with freshly washed, freshly blow-dried hair. I look like a mad woman, but that's okay because in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my perm rod set. So we're going to be transforming this bird's nest into a beautiful, curly, hopefully big afro. Hopefully, if this goes well. So yes, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my perm rod set. I'm going to be showing you guys the products that I use, the perm rods that I use, and also the technique that I use. So I'm kind of tired of my hair looking like this, so let's just get right into the video. Okay, so I did the first part off camera just to make sure I remembered how to do this, you know, but I'm going to show you guys what I did on the next section. The two products that I'm using today is the Camille Rose Curl Love Moisture Milk along with the Lottabody with Milk and Honey Refined Me Curl Defining Mousse. So I'm using these two products together, mostly using this one for the moisture and using this one to like hold my curls. I know most people get the blue bottle, but I don't know, I wanted to give this one a try. So all I do is I take a small section about that size. I'm gonna clamp up my hair. So all I do is I just brush through the section and I take like literally a dime size, like about that size, and I distribute that throughout the section, making sure I focus on my ends. Stay a little dry, and then I just take a small pump of the Lottabody mousse and I also distribute that throughout my hair as well. So the perm rods that I'm going to be using are the orange one, which is like a medium size, not too small, not too big, but I'm also going to be using this size as well, just for like the smaller pieces. So I also have some smaller size perm rods that I'm also going to be using once we get to like the front of my hair, and I also have some bigger ones that I'm going to be using for the middle of my hair, just to make sure that I get the volume that I want. So pretty much, let me just brush through that section again. I'm going to take the orange perm rod and I'm going to just basically roll up my hair from the bottom and twist it around. Roll up my hair, twist it. Oops, something in here? Nope. Twist it around. And just like that. I'm just gonna finish doing this section, and then when we get to different sections, when I start using the different size perm rods, we'll get into that. So let's go. Okay, so for this middle section of my hair, I'm going to be using these bigger perm rod rollers just so that way I can get some extra volume when this is all dry and done. So yeah, let's get started. Like I was saying earlier, towards the front of my face, I'm gonna be using smaller perm rods, at least just like the frame of my face. So I'm gonna be using these size perm rods. So I finished doing all the perm rods all over my hair. I look like somebody granny, but that's okay. So I'm gonna go sit under my dryer for like an hour or so, and then I'll be back with the results. All right, so it's been a couple hours. I actually just woke up from a nap, so I'm pretty sure that these are dry now. So I'm just gonna start to take them out. No, this is not the final look. I still need to stretch and separate these curls. I'm gonna do that now. Alrighty, you guys, so this is the final look. My hair is a little frizzy, but that's the usual. But yeah, I just separated all of the curls, picked out my hair, added a little bit of oil to it. Actually, where's my pick right now? Added a little bit of oil to it. And yeah, this is how we're rocking right now. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.
I know shorty and she doesn't want no slow song. Had a man last year, life goes on.